Hello, welcome to Sharmit. Today I am going to share you one self-learning document that will improve your programming skill. So I will share this document with the help of Google Drive. So in the description box you can find the link for the same. Now I will show you the document. So there are mainly three tabs in this document, tab 1, tab 2 and tab 3, where tab 1 is for RPGL related content, tab 2 is for CL related content, and tab 3 is feedback and channel updates. Okay, so initially this portion contains all the platform social media platform where we are, so you can join these platform like YouTube channel. You can subscribe us on this channel, as well as there is one Telegram channel where we share all the content related update, and another one is Facebook page, LinkedIn profile and Instagram profile. So you can join us on these platform. Now let's see what all content we have here. So this document is mainly divided into two portions. First, the left hand side is for Hindi session and the right hand side is for English session. So as per your language preference, you can go through the sessions, and we have categorized every session in this way. Like firstly, you can see there are projects and case study related sessions, then software installation and account configuration, data type, basic interview logical questions, PFLF related sessions, read file operation, loops, array and data structure, data area, error or exception handling, keywords, SEU, built-in function, opcodes, display file and subfile, IBM system jobs, debugging process, ILE concept. These are some advanced sessions on XML parsing and IFS file, AS400 or IBM commands, compiler directives, access client solution features, DB2 SQL function. So this is all about the RPGLE related stuff. Now we will go to the second tab. So second tab is for CL related programming. So here also you will find all the platform link that you can join us, where you can join us, and these are also divided into two portion. Left hand side is for Hindi session and right hand side is for English session. Okay, this is also categorized in this way, like you can just simply click on this links and then it will take you to the that particular session. Now the third tab is tab 3, which is for feedback and update. So this is mainly for the feedback purpose. Like here you can find all those feedback that we have received so far for the channel. And if you would like to share your feedback, then you can also you are also welcome to share your feedback on this email address. So if you are uh, happy with the content that we are sharing through this Tech Sharmit channel, then you can share your feedback, and once we receive your feedback we will share it on our YouTube channel as well as on social media platforms. Okay, so if you want to help us, then you can share your feedback. And so this is all about this self-learning document, where you will find all those session in the same document, and you can just simply directly click here on the link and it will take you to the that particular session. This document we are planning to update on monthly basis. So on the start of every month you will see the updated document, so you can refresh you can use the same link for accessing the updated document. Okay, and if you are happy with the content that we are sharing, then you can please subscribe this channel, and also you can share your feedback so that we can post the same on channel. So yeah, that's all for this portion, and thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.